All right, falling energy prices, the greatest story never told. That's the subject of the riff. It's a new year. The stock markets are already making new record highs. Pretty soon you're going to get 50,000 on the Dow, over 7,000 on the S&P 500. The lefty media, they never talk about this. But more or less, 135 million American investors are surely talking about it. That includes all the lefty-leaning union pension funds. Stocks up, taxes down. Stocks up, federal regulations down. Stocks up, energy prices down. Total it all up. The roughly 25% drop in oil prices over the past year, which permeates virtually the entire economy. You're bringing higher take-home pay to middle-class kitchen tables and higher profits to businesses all across the country. Tax cuts, great for profits. Deregulation, great for profits. 700,000 new private jobs, nearly 300,000 plunge in federal government jobs, great for profits. Profits build great companies. Profits mean more job opportunities. Profits mean higher wages. Profits, the mother's milk of stocks. Think of it. It's not the first time I've made this point. It's kind of my thing. Aspirin, ballpoint pens, cell phones, coffee makers, computer keyboards, monitors, dog collars, eyeglasses, fertilizers for food, golf bags and golf balls, iPads and iPhones and laptops and luggage, pajamas and pharmaceuticals and shaving cream and shampoo and skateboards and tennis rackets and hundreds of other items. The drop in oil prices and gasoline prices is right now the greatest story never told. CPI reports in the months ahead could even come in negative. That's right. I'm not saying every month, but you may get some negative prints because of falling energy prices, which are so important. Heck, October, November averages on the CPI 0.1%. All right? It's incredible. Way below the Fed's target. That means wages have even more power when prices are actually falling. That means the whole economy's real GDP could show a 5% print, or a 6% print, or a 7% print. Not every quarter, not every year. But the power of falling energy and falling inflation can drive the economy sky high. Already there's a business boom going on out there. Plus tax refunds are on the way. Plus Mr. Trump's factories. You know, he loves new factories. Great way to avoid tariffs and create jobs and build wages and hold down prices and build up stock market wealth. You know what? Falling energy prices is going to hand the midterms over to the GOP as long as they sell it. It's the greatest story never told, and that's this evening's riff.